In this video, we'll show you how to browse your subscriptions in the YouTube mobile app. When you tap the Subscriptions tab, you'll be able to see recent videos and posts from channels you're subscribed to. You can tap here to choose the Videos Only option if you'd like to only see videos in your subscriptions feed. You'll see the channels you're subscribed to at the top. You can scroll through the channel icons here, or if you'd like to see videos from a specific channel, just tap the channel icon. To see a full list of your subscriptions, tap All here. On this screen, you can change the ordering of the list by tapping here. You can sort by relevance, new activity, or alphabetical order. You can also choose which kind of channel notifications you want to see by tapping Manage. Then tap the bell icon next to a channel name to update your notification settings. You can always change these settings back at any time. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.